Okay, boys and girls, this one is called the Paralyzer. This is not a classic drink, but it's a known drink, and they make it a couple different ways depending. So ice in our glass, come behind with some vodka. All right, we follow that vodka with some tequila. Wow, tequila and vodka. Vodka, you all ever saw that liquor? I met the guy actually who created that. Coffee liqueur. Kind of like a Black Russian, but this Black Russian got a little bit of Mexico in them. And then we come behind with some milk. So this is like a White Russian with tequila. That's where we are right now. Okay? And then we add cola. Okay, so this is like a Colorado Bulldog with tequila. You see how many different drinks? Like, depending on what ingredient you add, the drink changes. So I just call them off just now. I just listed all the variations, and we're good to go. The Paralyzer. Okay?